So my sincere apologies to both brothers. I'm sorry. Go home, you're gonna do what you want to do home. It don't work, so I'm gonna run them type of joke there. You are there when I scolded my child. You were right, sitting right there. And when I expressed myself, you said to me that, okay, Tickers, this is the way you're going to do this. That is the way you must not do this and all of this. Because we know this. Communication is the key. I'm one phone call away. I'm half an hour away. If you want, we not beef. If you want to talk, me there run about. Walk come up the road. Is that not hard? I'm one phone call away. I'm half an hour away. The two live in Jamaica. The two will live in Jamaica.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beat and as can see part on the screen. Yeah, people, it look like said the chapter is over, but the series continue because ROSEALEE just apologized to both brothers. You know, her boo, Akeem, and his brother Figure It Out. You see, I said, putting in the comment section where you think about that because I don't really know what's the issue. If everybody is making money, you know what I mean? I don't know what kind of contract or obligations them have to split in or whatever, but if you're all making money, there shouldn't be no problem and there shouldn't be no outsiders getting in nobody's ears because it's none of their business. We're not dealing. You see what I said? But it looked like some problems was going on behind the scenes. Maybe Jake was telling ROSEALEE, you know, such man, I'll make bag of money off away, you know, because we at the start of the show, you know. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's just hear what she has to say about this communication part. So let's like and share the video from now, and let's get into it.
You call me a drive, come chat to me. We're still gonna have a conversation like human being. You said this and I didn't like that. You need to work on this and I tell you what you need to work on. That's how things work. You tell me things that I need to work on and I say, okay, cool, you need to work on that. And we'll try trickle it down. So if I even can't, if I'm going to work on my behavior, I try to do it less. You call me on my phone and say, ROSEALEE, not argue with nobody over here. Lefty people, I'm try it for weeks. I want to fly them, I pitch me, I look on them. And people see it too. Stop arguing. Me not argue. Me not argue. I'm going to tell me to half of this, that one year, that part here. After this a judgment tear down with a bag of chattings, we not argue with a soul. If the series continue, may God help my sinful soul. It will. Not even if a flyer drop on me, not look. Remember when they bring me down, you know? Sometimes it's hard to ignore, but I have to. Because I don't want to see nobody with nothing. I don't want to see nobody happy. So if we're going to continue this series, all the fly them, we're going to run out like Picheria or Chicken Marriott, then you can come. You know what I'm saying? I tell myself I'm going to leg a certain behavior and demeanor. Yeah. So when you're upset, you're going to get that in a voice note. I'm going to talk to somebody. I want to come here and let's argue. I can't bother with all the yeah, and yeah. I can't, yeah, for true. I try to tell my spirit. Yeah. But for future reference, don't tell me something that make me get angry and missing pan spot. When I ready to say back something, it's like you tell me something and that you tell me you're missing. I don't like it that way there. If you tell me what your problem, we can talk about what is the problem. If I call Munchi now, I'm going to tell Munchi my problem, we're going to talk about what is the problem. If I call Toto now, I'm going to tell Toto my problem, Toto going to talk to me about the problem. Me not like when I go missing. Don't tell me something I go missing for me. It triggers me. It triggers me. You can't tell me something I go missing. When I tell me something, I have to stand up for hear what me I say. So the two we can come to common grounds. Me know you have it in you. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. We'll go up and common. You just say something to me and me say back something to you. I will keep it flowing. I will keep it going. But you can't say something to me and then you got to send me that device note today. And then the other two, when I send you, you don't listen to them. And then we not correspond and we not communicate. You got burst out in a flame. It's like you have burn wanga for me, a pure soap on my body. Yeah. So try to come like the boy burn. When the boy, I saw the boy do my last time come like a pure wanga the boy burn for my blood clot. A pure soap on my blood clot. But come here, I say blood clot. Really? Me say me feel like me feel, you know when I feel last night when you just do your toe. You just do your toe, you tip it, you tip it. And acrylic over it and the things them. And when I walk out with a bucket of blood clot, you know that I have to sit down and say, I saw the boy do me. It's like it around, something like that. No, baby. No, baby, man. Come on, man. Don't we are big people. Eh? Don't we are big people. It means something you like tell me. And that's why me and my friends stay friends forever. I mean at 30 now, me at 32. Him know me like how me know him. Him know me like how me take off my drawers. And me know him like me know him say him come in the bath. When I'm going to the bathroom, him now come out till all Elizabeth Diane Berry. It's like how my friend know me, I saw me know my friend. When my friend going to the bathroom, he might keep Elizabeth birthday, our funeral, our night, Cheberry, memorial. I'm not coming to the bathroom for now. I'm on the way my scrub off. I say him know me. Say him know things that I will do and him know what me now go say. I true Toto when they go to the bathroom, you don't come out now. Elizabeth Taylor, you have to be at the top, me. You know what they pay you so? Yeah. Try to never tell me, say the series now done it, you know I'm a trip. And who know me have to just understand. The thing will work if we put more communication in it. Yeah, communicate. So if there's something to me, don't walk away from my response. Like you say, oh, things leave me alone and you're gone. Walking away from my response like I put one knife in my chest. And it hot. I say blood clot. Yeah, wait until my response. You clear your chest and me clear. You clear the air and me clear the air. I will keep it going and flowing. You can't stop me like that and walk away. If I come back for attack you, I'm going to attack you hard. I just the defense mode with me ever in. I don't really know why. Yeah, come even in a defense mode in your chat. Yeah, and apart from that track, the local nigga nobody no chat. Yeah. I have some nice ways where the world can see. I have some nice ways when we go out, you know, if we go out and I feel a way, you know, you're shy, alright, come now, where I do, you know, look way there, you know, look caring way there. So I have to give him props. So if things really go back to where they were I think communication is the key. We not toss out nothing, we not copy and paste nothing, we not pin and cover. Communication is the key. No, my bad. Look who go out on an adventure. You know how long I left my hair go and blood clap party go bubble. You know how long I left my, you know how long I go one party and figure out talking about two, you know, God no. It's just that when I delete people, I just block everybody. You know, too bad, you know, honestly. And sometimes my brain run, me just say things. When my brain run for one, my brain just run for everybody. When me I pray one party, when me I pray about, I pray all the mama too, you know. I just saw me stay. When me I pray everybody run all the mama. I saw me turn. Everybody will come run and look upon them and look and analyze them. I want them, oh, you do me nothing. When me I pray family. So where you are go? I saw me turn. Me no know, I just saw me stay. Me no know. I saw me stay chat. For me I pray everybody for you. Every single body. And you put things in them head and just stop me think. You put things in them head about me. You just put things in them head about me and I just pray everybody. So when land and bridge fall, it fall with every blood clot body fall with it. You say anybody, but with that boy I pray all him mama too, him father, him uncle, everybody. Where y'all come now about. Where y'all come about now, but I'm not taking a talk. I don't really want to talk to you because I mean in chattings. So I'm like, oh, man, I don't want here. Brother, come on, I don't want here. That's me, Cause when I talk to me, I say, I don't want here. You know? Once you talk to me, I say, I don't want here. And then I say, I don't want here because I don't even care. I pray everybody. When I have a man under payment, so I let mama me a pray that she don't do me nothing. I saw me tan. Trap me black the people, them have to unblock them, Lord God. Them my man. Yeah. Because I never want to take and figure it out, you know, so I just say blood clot. Because I don't want the mad syndrome chip in. Because when I dark, I can't see, you know. I don't know. There are some things I need to control. I try. I just a Gemini thing. Queen Sheba was tripping. But I apologize to both because I thought they really bad, you know. I'm not going to tell a lie. When I go a party, sis, you're good, you want chewing gum, you're good. You want to come, sis, you're good. I tell you, why? My sincere apology. I'm gonna apologize to the chat. Me apologize because me mean it because me a big woman with kids. And I don't feel like people when I treat a certain way, you must not treat them somewhere. Nah. So my sincere apologies to both brothers. I'm sorry. Chat, what's up? Did no question. Airbnb weekend, yeah. Damn myself a bucket, my love. I got hopscotch in a pool. Might take the kids. I got hopscotch in a pool. You know I'm not gonna walk a pool. You know I'm not doing a pool because Shamar want my baby for a long time. You know, say the baby stop come here. Never stop the check. They get them too much. They get them now Lego blows. You know one black beans so me have a more shit. I like me have another color one, but me not really like him. Like the black one.
Yeah, as usual, I'm not buying what them selling, but tell me in the comment section if you are. You feel me? And you don't know the things that people are holy baga go on, you know, this continue to go on, you know, we're uploading a whole bunch of stuff on our platforms, on YouTube, and we're going to continue to upload more. today, because it's a whole lot. You feel me? You know the drama with Ivani and Ice and D and a bag of people because she go fish fry and them thing there. You know what I mean? And they can't catch up with Figure It Out and Dime, you know, point of view on this thing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified to whenever I drop the latest in a dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.